Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 3 triangle practice set 3.4 of class 9th. So question number 1 is given in figure 3.48. This is the figure. Point A, this is the point A, is on the bisector of x, y, z. If AX is equal to 2 centimeter, so it is given 2 centimeter. Find AZ. So we have to find AZ. Okay. So we'll start with solution. So I'm writing here. We'll write the first given condition. So what is given? Here point A is the bisector of XYZ angle XYZ. It is given condition. Okay. Now next, point A is equidistant from, so this is our Y, so I'm writing red and this is Y, equidistant from ray YX and ray YZ. Okay, therefore AX is equal to AZ. So line AX is equal to AZ. A point A is equal distance from ray YX and ray YZ by angle, the reason is by angle bisector theorem. Okay, it is by angle bisector theorem. Now here AX is given as 2 centimeter. Okay, so therefore AZ is also 2 centimeter by angle bisector theorem. I hope you understood. Here, if this angle is right angle and it is opposite to this angle, this is also right angle, and if this is 2 centimeter, this is also a 2 centimeter by angle bisector theorem. Our point lies on the bisector of an equal distance. That is also one of the reason you can write, but I am writing by angle bisector theorem. It is very easy to understand. So we have find AZ equal to 2 centimeter. Now we are going to solve question number 2 of practice set 3.4. Now here question number 2 is given in figure 3.49. Angle RST is equal to 56 degree. So it is given 56 degree. Segment PT is perpendicular to ray ST and PR is perpendicular to SP. Okay, segment PR is perpendicular to ray SP. It is SP. And segment PR is congruent to segment PT. Okay. Now here question number 2 is given. Figure 3.49, angle RST is equal to 56 degree. Segment PT is perpendicular to ray ST and segment PR is perpendicular to ray SR and segment PR is congruent to segment PT. So find the measure of RSP. State the reason for your answer. So we have written given condition, that is angle RST is equal to 56 degree and segment PT is perpendicular to ray. Segment PT is perpendicular to ray ST and segment PR is perpendicular to ray SR and segment PR is congruent to PT. We have to find RSP, angle RSP. So we have written given condition in triangle SPT and triangle SPR, segment PR is congruent to segment SR. Okay, it is given. Now in angle STP is congruent to SRP, each 90 degree angle. Okay, now here segment SP is congruent to SP because of common side. Now next, triangle SPT is congruent to triangle SPR by SAS test. Side angle side test. Now here angle TSP is congruent to angle RST. Okay, RSP. So here we can see the ray SP is bisector of RST. So therefore ray SP is a bisector of angle RST. So ray SP is what? Bisector of RST angle. So we can write therefore angle RSP is equal to half of, see, angle RSP is a half of angle RST. So we'll write half, and what is given? RST given 56 degree. So when we divide, we'll get 28 degree. Okay, now here we got angle RSP equal to 28 degree. So we found the measure of angle RSP. So angle RSP is 28 degree. So it will come 28 degree. Only this much of angle will come 28 degree. I hope you understood. Follow the step. If you follow the step, your concept will be clear, how to show and how to find the angle RSP. Okay, we are going to solve now question number 3 of practice set 3.4. Question number 3 of practice set 3.3. In triangle PQR, PQ is given 10 centimeter, QR is given 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 8 centimeter. To find out the greatest and the smallest angle of triangles. So we have to find the greatest and smallest triangle here. So we'll start with solution. First we will write given condition. In triangle PQR, PQ is given 10 centimeter. Okay. QR is given 12 centimeter and PR equal to 8 centimeter. This all are given condition. Okay. Now here you can see triangle QR is the greatest one because it's have 12 centimeter. So QR is greater than PQ and PQ is greater than PR. Reason: angle opposite to the greatest angle is greatest. Angle opposite to greatest side is greatest. Okay. Now here as you can see, therefore angle QPR is greater than angle angle PRQ and angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. The same reason will come, angle opposite to greatest side is greatest. Now here therefore we have to write the greatest angle. So greatest angle is angle QPR. The greatest angle is QPR. Okay, and the smallest angle is angle PQR. The reason will be here greatest angle opposite to greatest angle is greatest, and here reason will be angle opposite to smallest is smaller. Okay, I hope you understood. Just we have to show which is the greatest and smallest angle in this sum which we have found and solved too. So we are going to solve now next problem, that is question number 4. Now question number 4 of practice set 3.4, it is given in AFAN fan, angle F is equal to 80 degree, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Find out the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle, state the reason. Just like previous question we have solved, we have to solve this also. As you can see, we have to find the greatest and smallest side of this triangle. So two sides of angle is given, that is F is equal to 80 degree and A is equal to 40 degree. So we'll start with solution. In triangle FAN, angle F is equal to 80 degree. It is given angle A is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now angle N is 60 degree. So therefore angle N is equal to 60 degree. Reason is remaining angle of triangle So reason is remaining angle of triangle. Okay. The next is what given. Therefore, you can see angle A is 80 degree. So angle F is 80 degrees. So angle F is greater than angle N. And angle N is greater than angle A. Okay. Now therefore we can write AN is greater than AF and AF is greater than FN. Okay. So therefore we can write greatest side is AN. So we'll write side of opposite of greatest angle is greatest. Okay. And smallest side equal to FN, side of opposite smallest angle is smallest. Okay, I hope you understood. We have proved that greatest side is AN and smallest side is FN. Okay. Now we are going to solve practice set 3.4 of question number 5.